I found this turtle on the road. Got itself smashed up. I went to save him because I could tell he was still alive as I was driving by. The poor guy, man. It's not. I mean, he's alive, but looks like he's gonna be a goner. So I grabbed him and I decided that I was gonna take him home and cook him. He's not happy about that. Of course, I don't think he's happy about much at all right now. Poor guy.